Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see private account on Instagram. So let's get straight into it. Right now, when I go to Instagram, I see this account that's set to private. I can see any of the users' posts or stories. But if you want to see someone's post or stories without them knowing who you are, you could create a new account. So let me show you how to effectively set up an Instagram account to follow someone anonymously. So you will just need Excel and the Instagram app on your mobile device. So start by opening an Excel sheet to organize your details. Enter basic information such as first name, last name, username, and password for your new account. So make sure to save this sheet so you can keep track of your accounts later. And once that's ready, open the Instagram app, tap your profile picture in the bottom corner. Then select the three bar icon in the top right corner to open settings and privacy, like so. From here, scroll down and tap add account to create a new one. So just click create new account here and fill in the necessary information such as username you want to use and create a password. Once done, just tap complete sign up and doing so will register your account details. So you're just gonna wait for a few moments here until it is completed. And now Instagram may suggest connecting to Facebook for more legitimacy. So you can skip it or add it to make your account look more real. And just do the same thing in syncing your contacts. You can choose to skip it or sync your contacts. And next, add a profile photo. So this is important to make your account look legitimate. So choose a photo from your gallery and upload it. You can also adjust your profile picture like so. And once done, click on the arrow button at the top right. And then you can also share your profile picture as a post. So just tap next here to continue. Afterwards, here you can choose to skip or share your profile to invite people to follow you. Then you can also start following people because following others helps make your account look more authentic. So make sure to follow some of the accounts here, okay? Just like this. And when you're done, just tap the arrow in the top right to move forward. And as you can see here, I've successfully created my account. So now the next step is to go to your profile by clicking your profile icon at the bottom right. Then from here, tap the three bar icon in the top right corner to open settings and privacy. So from here, scroll down again to add account. So click on this one and select log into existing account. So make sure to use one of your other accounts to follow the new account you created. Then from this account, search up the Instagram account you just created by clicking on the search button. Then just follow the account you created to increase your follower list. And to enhance the legitimacy of your account, consider creating a few more accounts. So just do the same steps that we did earlier to increase your follower list. And then afterwards, switch between them by going to the profile icon at the bottom, selecting your preferred account from the top left, and logging in as needed. As you can see, I've just gained one follower here. So if you want to increase more of your followers, just do the same step earlier. And once you're ready, you can search for the private account you're interested in and send a follow request. With a few follower connections already in place, your account will seem more trustworthy. After they accept, you'll be able to view their profile without revealing your real identity. But remember, if you try searching view private Instagram online, you will find many links. So beware of scams. These sites often ask for personal information or require human verification, which can lead to malware. So stick to creating an anonymous account and avoid sites that could infect your device. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how to see private account on Instagram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.